This is the V sound. Keep watching to find out how it's pronounced in British English. Hi everybody and welcome back to Lean English. I'm Ed and I'm here to help you achieve your pronunciation goals. Before we start, remember to like this video if you find it useful and subscribe for more British English pronunciation lessons in the future. Now, let's look at the V sound in a bit more detail. Do you remember the F sound that we looked at a couple of weeks ago? The V sound is produced in a similar way. So first produce the F sound. Now do it again, but this time use your voice instead. V. V. Well done, you just produced the V sound. This sound is produced by placing the tip of the tongue against the top teeth and using your voice so that it produces friction. This gives the sound its technical name, the voice dental fricative. Obviously, in real conversation, we don't produce the th sound first, but you can use this trick to find the correct mouth position. So try and remember the mouth position and produce the sound again. V. V. Now, look at these words. Can you identify the V sound? Listen and see if you can hear it. They, Thames, other, foothill, day, with, method, wit. The V sound is always spelt with the letters TH, but remember that these letters may produce other sounds in other words. The V sound may be confused with the D sound in minimal pairs, such as they, day, there, dare, then, den, though, dough, those, doze. Remember to restrict the flow of air with the tip of your tongue and your top teeth when you produce the V sound to avoid confusing it with the D sound in these minimal pairs. Now, let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. Smooth leather clothes. My father gathers feathers. Rhythmic breathing is soothing. Hot weather bothers my mother. My other brothers in the Netherlands. The V sound may be replaced with the D sound at the beginning of words by some native speakers. So a phrase like, they bought them those flowers, may also be pronounced, they bought them those flowers. This is known as TH stopping, and it's a distinguishing feature of several English accents, including multicultural London English, Scouse, Irish and Caribbean. Well, that's the end of the lesson, but can you use the V sound in a sentence? Leave me some examples in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.